Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan with Jordan Lee +3, and I'm super excited to be talking to you guys about the brand new AutoBrush system. So if you are unfamiliar with AutoBrush, it is a 2-in-1 toothbrush that gives you a 360 clean, but it also whitens your teeth at the same time. But the cool thing about the toothbrush is that you can also just whiten your teeth. So when you get your AutoBrush system, it's obviously going to have the silicone brush head to whiten your teeth. You're just going to replace it with the whitening brush head that looks just like this. And then to whiten your teeth, you're going to want to take your AutoBrush whitening system. It's going to come in this eco-friendly packaging. You're going to open it up and it's going to look just like this, which is pretty typical of whitening technology. It's going to have their logo on it. Looks like a little brush pen. It's going to have the bristles at the end. Twist the product and it comes out the end. So to whiten your teeth using the AutoBrush, it has a couple different settings. You're going to turn the power button on, and you're going to see the really cool technology, which is the 2-in-1 red and blue light, infrared light. So the blue light obviously helps to whiten your teeth and kill bacteria. The red light is known to help with gum inflammation and just overall gum health. So not only are you whitening your teeth, but you're helping your teeth and your gums become more healthy. So I think that's really cool. It's the only whitening toothbrush on the market that actually does that technology. So AutoBrush is way ahead on that. The other cool thing is that to do the whitening system, you can do it for 10 minutes for just a quick whitening session, or you can run the system 3 times for a total of a 30-minute whitening session. So what I like to do is pop this in, grab a book, grab a computer with a Netflix movie on, pop on my favorite show on TV, and just whiten my teeth for about 30 minutes. And then sometimes I even just pop it in after I'm done brushing and just leave it in without any of the whitening system on, and just use that technology because it's really cool. So we're gonna show you guys how to whiten your teeth. And okay, so to whiten your teeth, you're obviously going to want to grab your whitening pen. It looks just like this. You're gonna remove the cap, and you're gonna twist until you see that product come out the end. There it comes, see it? So you're gonna wanna apply it straight to your teeth. And pop it in.
So while the AutoBrush system is whitening your teeth, all you have to do is grab a computer, grab a book, answer some emails, and just let that technology do its work. It will automatically turn off after 10 minutes, and you can continue to do it for a full 3 cycles for a 30-minute whitening session, or you can continue just using the 10-minute session, and that's it.
So a couple other really cool things to note about why I prefer the AutoBrush whitening system over traditional things like whitening strips or maybe like a quick bleach tray. I don't notice sensitivity after using this product versus when I would notice sensitivity using white strips. I can whiten my teeth and immediately go eat ice cream or go drink like ice cold water, and I don't have that weird painful sensation. And then the other reason I like this versus other products that I've tried as far as whitening products go, I notice an immediate shade difference in my teeth. So I'm a really big heavy wine drinker, coffee drinker. I enjoy red wine on the weekends. I enjoy my coffee multiple times during the day. So I notice a change in my teeth immediately after drinking both products. If I'm noticing my smile looking a little bit more dull, I will simply just pop in the AutoBrush system and it's back to the shade that it was before I started drinking whatever it is I was drinking. And so overall, I really like the product. I think it's great. I think it's good for on-the-go whitening. You could travel with this. You can whiten in the car. You can whiten, you know, like I said, like I was answering emails whitening. I can whiten and watch a movie. And you don't have to hold it either. So I can literally put it in my mouth and not have to hold it. So overall, I really enjoy this product. I think it is great for moms on the go. I think it is great for anyone that just really wants to improve the overall brightness of your smile. And I think you guys will love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.